This is AUDNZD, and today it's Friday, 24th of August 2018, and the time is 16:07 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou, and this is my analysis on the pair for my YouTube friends. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals, and stochastics. On monthly time frame, we see that this big spike on top of the current candlestick shows the true intentions of the price, and the price really wants to go down. On weekly, the fall is evident, clear, and strong, and has started. But weekly and monthly are non-tradable time frames, so we go to daily. The way price action is showing here doesn't allow us to take a trade from daily because the risk will be very high at this phase. We missed an early entry up here with range-bound markets criteria. So we go down to smaller time frames, and we see on H4 that the price just made a swing high above the median Bollinger Band, a statistical validation to the median Bollinger Band, which is sloping downwards. And if a bearish candlestick closes below the median Bollinger Band, below Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, and Tenkan-sen is sloping downwards, with the leading Kumo hanging, both edges sloping downwards, then that would be a clear signal of bearish continuation of the downward move. But in any case, we won't enter from H4, so I will give you a sell trade setup from H1. This is H1. Here we see a very big spike above the upper Bollinger Band, above the Kumo. So when you see a bearish candlestick, let me change the color here. When you see a bearish candlestick closing at the level of 1.0890 with the median Bollinger Band going down, upper and lower Bollinger Band's edges in a bearish correlation pattern, Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, and Kijun-sen, the blue line, in proper bearish order, both sloping downwards, both out of the Kumo. Kijun-sen, the blue line, is enough to be below the Kumo. It's not necessary to be sloping downwards, but if it's sloping downwards, that would be a bonus. Tenkan-sen, though, the red line, must definitely be sloping downwards, and Chikou-span, the green line, will be down here, and we want it also to be sloping downwards. And the leading Kumo must be bearish, not bullish as it is right now, hanging, both edges sloping downwards. That's why we don't place a pending order here. This is a hypothetical level. The entry level, the level where all the criteria will be met, may be 10 pips higher, 10 pips lower, 20 pips higher, 20 pips lower, probably 20 pips lower. So it's just a point of reference for you, not a level to place a pending order. Remember that. Place your stop loss above the upper Bollinger Band, above the fractal, the spike, above the Kumo, of course, at 1.0991. So we will be entering with a risk of 100 pips, and the take profit target can be placed initially. It can be placed where the range, the law of symmetry will be fulfilled, and the range will be completed, making a spike below the lower Bollinger Band as big as the spike above the upper Bollinger Band. And Chikou-span here is giving us a nice take profit level. I will place it a bit higher. So you can go for 130 pips, and the take profit target can be placed at 1.0754. And let me see what's the level on weekly. Yes, we have Zikuspan making this angle here too. It's below Kijun-sen previous plateau, above the knee of the medium Bollinger Band. Great. This is a set it and forget it type of trade, so really do that. Set it and forget it. Just make sure that when you enter, all the entry criteria are met. And it's okay if you place the take profit target a few pips higher. You will grab those pips faster. But the pair really wants to give many more pips. Many more pips. This is it for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested, if you are new to Forex trading, if you are a beginner, you need two important things. First, education, and second, you need support, ongoing support with your trades. I offer through my e-courses great education because I give you only the basics, and you can study the basics in a few days, not weeks, not months, not years. And once you study the e-course and we speak the same language, you can subscribe to one of my two packages with signals or full trade setups depending on the size of your live account, and you will have my ongoing support. So education is the first step, and getting ongoing support is the next, so that you can trade confidently and have consistently great results. Thanks for watching, and happy pips.